this, buddy.
Take a shot. It was working a second ago. Do it again. There it goes, 313. 313, turn it way down.
You can play with PSP or semi-automatic if you would like, as long as the rod is capped at 12.5.
Again. 271. Do it again. 265. Keep going. What's it got to be at? 230? What's the speed got to be at?
230.
230. Keep going. Keep going again. No, here.
I returned it. It sounded low.
227.
Perfect.
Wait, fire it again. 231. Do it again. 240. 237. Turn down a little bit. Okay. 230. Wait, do it again. 218. You gotta wait for me to hit the button. Go ahead. 219. Yeah, he's down.
Go. Who's on here? You should go next. Who's on here?
No, I'm not even playing this one. They already picked 6.
Let me see if I can do it. Stand up here like that time. That's stupidity.
Just hit it again. I don't know why you can't get it. You gotta put it back an inch or so from. It's gotta be like about right here.
Like we have packages.
Oh, you know why? You're covering it with your finger, man. That's the sensor right there. He's at 310. That's why you couldn't get it.
Next person.
George Mason paintball team, hard at work, sweeping the floor.
You guys ready? Game starts in 5 seconds on my mark. Mark! Go, 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 go!
How thick is your jersey?
I got 2 shirts on.
I can feel it easy.
Guys, if you get hit, call yourself out.
It's a little late for him to call for a ref.
Yeah, that guy's got a good reputation of going. Yo, why don't we?
Ready to do this, Stan? Oh no, I was standing right there. I watched the guy dive in the snake. He tried to say that he hit him in the back when he went in. I was standing right there. I mean, I think I got it on video, so he was trying to say he shot him when he went in there. And the guy said I didn't feel it. So I'll check the video. Excuse me. Huh?
Where are you going?
I'm going Dorito then, I guess. 'Cause I'm over here.
No.
Is your rotor had any jamming?
I'm sweeping in the dirt.
Hey, Rodell. No, I'm not. Totally not.
You want me to cover you while you're doing it?
You got home, yeah, lane Dorito side. Or lane whichever side if he needs help on the snake. Just be quick. Don't shoot me when you come up. Man, that's so quick. Why won't this thing turn on?